Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
He can say all that I've participated in events and I'm a good speaker and stuff like that, but I don't know what it is with me, but I take a lot of retakes. The answer, you see his face.
So anything with cheese is her favorite. Pizza, burger, you put cheese and rice, she'll eat it. She's mad.
He means to say that whenever I buy makeup, also like I buy one thing after thinking about it for 3 hours and I don't use much, or I don't even buy too much. He thinks it's like a waste of time.
I hate Instagram. I just don't like it. I'm just there because it's like my profession to be an influencer. But yeah, otherwise I wouldn't be on Instagram.
Who is most likely to leave YouTube for another profession? Very quick chota sa segment called Who is most likely to. I'm going to give you questions. You have to tell me out of the two who is most likely to do the following. Okay? First one is who is most likely to take the most retakes?
Gautami.
Yeah.
100%.
So he goes like, he can say all that I've participated in events and I'm a good speaker and stuff like that, but I don't know what it is with me, but I take a lot of retakes.
Okay. Who is most likely to scrap a video? Like, you know, जब बन गया, सब ready हो गया, फिर भी they're just not feeling it.
We know the answer, you see his face.
Yeah, that's me. That's because I edit so much. I edit for like 2-3 days and then I've seen the video so many times that I just hate every video once it's getting uploaded. So yeah, always.
That happens.
Yeah.
He seems like a very critical guy कि कुछ भी अच्छा भी हो रहा होगा, he'll be like, नहीं, I don't think this is going right.
Yeah, that's everything. तो sure होना उसे कि अच्छा है वीडियो तभी डालेंगे.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment? Like, you know, मतलब सामने से कोई गया, you have a joke going on about them and उसके मुंह पे ही हंस दिया या something like
that. I think Gautami, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is most likely to overspend? Like, you know, probably duty free में या mall में या somewhere. Just like.
Yeah, then that's me.
Yeah,
because I just love tech and tech is expensive. So yeah, that's why me. And she likes all those things that are really cheap. Like makeup is not that expensive. She likes small things, earrings and stuff.
Makeup is not expensive.
Yeah, not as expensive as like getting a new phone or getting a new laptop. So that's why I think I spend more, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, I think he means to say that whenever I buy makeup, also like I buy one thing after thinking about it for 3 hours and I don't use much, or I don't even buy too much. He thinks it's like a waste of time. We spend so much time there about thing.
Okay. Who is most likely to get late?
Late. Yeah. Well, before it used to be me, but I think that's it.
Yeah, it keeps changing. It's the both of us, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is most likely to have a weird phobia?
Weird phobia?
What are your phobias? Then we can decide.
I'm just claustrophobic. That's it. I don't think that's too weird because a lot of people have it. But yeah.
Have you traveled in the Mumbai local? Like on a regular
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
What do you have to say? How claustrophobic do you feel?
That's fine. At least the doors are open. But when I went to Visakhapatnam, you know, they have the submarine near the sea. When I went in, I just couldn't breathe. It's too much because I started imagining that what if it's underwater and I'm underwater. So those things really get to me that I can't go out now. Yeah.
Okay. What are the things you are phobic about, Gautami?
Me, well, not much. It's only if something is like life-threatening, then I'll be scared about it. But I say not particularly scared of something that is not risky.
तो मतलब किसी को इतना कोई weird सा phobia नहीं है. Okay. Who is most likely to eat a lot?
Me.
Yeah.
All the time.
What is your favorite thing to eat? Let Abhyuday answer that. What do you think is her most favorite thing to eat?
Yeah, it's easy. Pizza. Anything with cheese is her favorite. Pizza, burger. You put cheese in rice, she'll eat it. She's mad.
Any also like chips.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Another. So the next question is: who is most likely to rewrite a script 10 times and still not feel satisfied?
Me. It's always me.
Okay.
Even
who-
on my way to her house, I keep thinking that what can be changed, and yeah, it just never stops.
Are you an overthinker in general?
Yeah, I overthinker, and also I think I like perfection way too much, and especially in a field where perfection is not possible. I think it's too much. I need to change.
Okay. Who is most likely to reply back to a hater?
Gautami, she does reply a lot of times.
Right.
I don't know. We are both likely to do it, but
Huh.
we just send each other screenshots कि ये देख क्या हो रहा है. अपने में ही discuss करके हो जाता है.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is more likely to spend hours on Instagram?
I do already.
Gautami.
Like Instagram.
I hate Instagram. I just don't like it. I'm just there because it's like my profession to be an
Part of your
influencer.
profession.
But yeah, otherwise I wouldn't be on Instagram.
Okay. And my last question is: who is most likely to leave YouTube for another profession?
Me.
This was quick, as if ki matlab, हाँ, I'm already set. I wouldn't mind. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for doing this. It was so much fun talking to you all. And take care of yourselves in this situation. Take care of your families. And we wish to see another video from your channel super soon, whenever you guys have the chance to basically shoot and put it up. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this conversation as well.
Yeah, we did. Thank you so much, and it was
Yeah.
really nice having like a fun game and everything, and having a light-hearted conversation. So
Yeah.
thank you. It's been a pleasure to be on
Yeah,
India.
thank you for having us. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Take
Bye.
care.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
Hi, this is Abhyuday from Slay Point, and you're watching me on India Forum.
Hi everyone, this is Gautami from Slay Point, and you're watching me on India Forum.